Now, there are tons of TWS earbuds out there in the market, but only one stands out as the safest pair of TWS earbuds that you can own. Now, when I say safe, I'm talking about the bacteria killing prowess of an earbud. Now, I know you must be thinking, has this guy lost it? How can earbuds kill bacteria? Get ready to be blown away as the LG tone-free TWS earbuds not only kill bacteria, but do that while sounding awesome. Oh, and stick around to the end of the video because these earbuds have an awesome feature that I definitely want you to see. Okay, so this is the box of the LG Tone Free, and as you can see, the packaging is very simple. The branding there, LG Tone Free and UVnano. Just let's go ahead and take the seal off. Okay, so this is the charging cradle that you have, and I'm sure the headphones would be inside earbuds. Yes, there they are. The UVnano badging, and these are the charcoal black variant that we have over here. We'll get to that a bit later. First, let's check what else we get inside the box. This is a thermocol packaging. You get the USB type A to type C for charging. We'll keep that aside here right now, and the extra ear tips, the medical grade earbuds that we get. And this is something that I'll talk to you about later. Is basically a 3.5 mm jack to a type C. So apart from that, you get basic documentation with the user manual, the warranty card, and yeah, that's about it. These are the basic things that you get inside the box. So we'll just keep that aside and focus on this one, the LG Tone Free. The LG Tone Free are India's first 99.9% bacteria-free UV earbuds and are certified by TUV Labs. LG's UVnano technology is the foundation on which the earbuds and the charging case's disinfection tech has been built. So how does this help you? Every time you use the earbuds, there are bacteria on the tips that get attached to the buds and you risk the possibility of an infection. However, with the UVnano charging case, you can kill 99.9% of the bacteria on the buds with the built-in ultraviolet LED light inside the case just by placing the buds inside it while charging using the wired charger. Cleaning the buds with alcohol is never advised because you might damage the mesh area, which is where UV light is the best bet. For added protection, the medical grade air gel tips fit perfectly in the ear and are also hypoallergenic, which means you don't even have to worry about any skin irritations. Just like you wash your hands every time you're about to have a meal, similarly, disinfecting your earbuds is important, and the LG Tone Free aces in that department. This way, I don't even have to think twice before sharing the buds with a friend, as I know I can always disinfect them hassle-free before using them again. Now that you know that these are the safest pair of earbuds in the market, let me tell you how they are the perfect companion for audiophiles. The LG Tone Free aren't just any other earbuds, but have been engineered in partnership with Meridian, who are the pioneers of high-resolution audio and DSP, that's digital signal processing. This ensures that you get an accurately balanced sound experience. You not only get lifelike surround sound via spatial audio, but also increased flex action bass for your music thanks to a more advanced driver in the LG Tone Free. Now, gaming with the LG Tone Free is an out-of-the-world experience thanks to the 3D soundstage technology that expands the soundstage, offering you an immersive gaming experience. With enhanced active noise cancellation, the drivers on the LG Tone Free are able to effectively detect the ambient noise and cancel it, giving you true high-fidelity music or movie experience. Also, you get excellent call quality with the 3-mic system on the LG Tone Free. The audio is crisp without any ambient audio creeping into your calls. Now, the feature that got me the most excited is called plug and wireless. Imagine you have a playback device that comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack but no Bluetooth. Well, with the LG Tone Free, you can have a truly wireless experience. And here's how. Just plug the UVnano charging case to the device using the 3.5mm to USB Type-C adapter that comes with the Tone Free and get ready to be rid of the inconvenience of wires forever. This works best for game controllers, flight entertainment consoles, and even desktops. Professional videographers can also use it to monitor audio without using those janky headphones. Get this, if you accidentally misplace the LG Tone Free earbuds, you can easily find them using the Find My Earbuds feature in the LG Tone Free app that pinpoints the location of your earbuds where you used them last. For example, if you were using the earbuds at home while connected with the phone and the Tone Free app, and then you accidentally left it at home and went to work, then using the Tone Free app, you can know that your buds are at home. Another great feature is the whisper mode on the LG Tone Free, where you can use the right bud as a microphone when you are in an environment that's too crowded or noisy. Just make sure to speak softly into it and the other person will be able to hear crisp audio. Plus, the tight fit ensures that all you hear is unadulterated, immersive, and noise-free music. Another great convenience feature of the LG Tone Free is Swift Pair, which quickly lets you pair your earbuds with your PC. All you have to do is take out the earbuds from the case and you're good to go. In terms of battery life, you get 10 hours of playtime with the earbuds and a total of 24 hours with the charging case. A whole day of wireless, high-fidelity, uninterrupted entertainment. The LG Tone Free app is the perfect earbud companion which lets you customize the equalizer, control ambient sound control, set the touchpad controls, and more. What's a bonus is that these earbuds are IPX4 splash proof, which makes them perfect for your daily workout routine. I just loved the ergonomic design of the LG Tone Free, not to mention that it was awarded the Red Dot Design Award and also won the CES Innovation Award in 2021. The LG Tone Free is available in two colors, pearl white and charcoal black. Truly, this is how earbuds should be. Elegant looking, not too bulky, and not that loose that they fall out. The LG Tone Free undoubtedly stands out from the crowd when it comes to offering flagship features. At these incredible prices, the LG Tone Free is the perfect option for you if you want a truly wireless, comfortable, and noise-free music experience. And you also get this Ganesha case free with every purchase. So, what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and as always, for everything tech, log on to gadgets360.com.